Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by saving and prioritizing. Close documents and note which apps must remain open. Once done, target visible apps first. Click close or use Alt plus F4 on Windows or CMD plus Q on Mac OS. Make sure to dismiss modal dialogues that block quitting. If an app won't respond, try its menu's Force Quit option or long press on mobile. These first steps free up memory quickly and prevent data loss while you move into deeper cleanup. Next, switch to System Tools to finish what the UI leaves behind. Open Task Manager or Activity Monitor to find background processes and child services. Kill processes that don't quit normally. Once you stop them, check for helper apps or launch agents that auto-restart, disable those in Settings or the Startup folder. Also make sure to close browser tabs and extensions. They often keep processes alive. This detailed execution ensures apps are fully terminated rather than just hidden. Finally, verify everything is closed by restarting the device. That clears lingering processes and releases locked files. Make sure auto-reopen or resume features are disabled so apps don't relaunch. If you need to automate, create a shutdown or logout script that closes specific apps in sequence. And if an app keeps reopening, check background services, scheduled tasks, or possible malware, remove the culprit or update the app. This one troubleshooting tip usually fixes persistent relaunches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.